Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Nova 12S, and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down and find battery option. Let's tap. As you can see, on the third position we've got show battery percentage option, which is in my case of course turned on. If you've got it turned off, just tap on the switcher and percentage will be displayed inside the battery icon. This is the only way we can display the battery percentage in this device. Of course you can turn it off the same way just by tapping on the switcher again. It's up to you. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.